Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on a few trending tickers. First, ticker CYBL, Cyberlux Corp. I was looking at the daily chart here and noticed a few key levels. This thing was selling off, fell through this 0.017 level. It kind of touched off of it here and tried to become a support level, and then it sold through it. And then when it dipped down here to around 1 cent, it rallied back hard, but really rejected this 0.017 level pretty hard. You can see a big wick sticking out there, and then the next candle, another large wick sticking out. It came up here and tested it again, and then tested it again here and just got stomped down. So it's definitely a barrier to the upside right now. I think if this thing, now that it's in looking a little better here on the daily and actually was able to make this higher high here, I want to see it bust through this 0.017 level. I think if it can, it will be a good sign for the stock, and I think this thing can make a nice rip higher. Also here, I was taking a look here at SLDB, I believe it was. Yeah, Solid Biosciences. You see on the longer time frames here, like the daily, it was just in a bleed out, slowly bleeding out, and now you can see it's kind of turned around here. I pulled up the 1 hour, and right off of this 72-cent level, it made a hard rip, and then it kind of went sideways, touched off of this 21-day EMA and trend line, and then made another big rip again. So it looks like it wants to try to pull back again. I mean, this is a very sharp move, from 72 cents to about $1.40. That's about, 100% move there. So it's on a very steep uptrend right now. I think if the thing falls through this trend line that I drew up here on this 1 hour time frame, that could be a short entry. But if it comes back to this trend line and the buyers start to step in and like that price again, and it starts to rip again, I think this uptrend will have a chance to continue. But yeah, once this trend line gets broken, I definitely see that as a good short entry opportunity. I mean, a lot of things that make these 100% moves, in a short amount of time like this, they typically do not hold up. So usually you'll see some pretty good profit taking come in, and we haven't really seen that too much. You have this explosion, pulled back a little bit, not a huge sell off, and then it started kind of go sideways and then touched off of that trend line and blasted hard again. So yeah, this thing is almost overbought again on this time frame. You can see right here when it started to rip on Wednesday, it looks like thing got up into the overbought area again. You've got overbought here, and now it's working its way back up to try to become overbought again. So I'll kind of see in the coming week here, but I'm definitely would be keeping an eye on this trend line right here. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on these different tickers that are hot and trending in the market, and I will also keep you updated on any trades, new or opening, or just kind of trading updates. So I'll keep you guys updated on that stuff. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.